y'all. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so first of all, this was a big ass surprise to me. So I didn't know I was getting another one of these AIA boxes, and so this just, I got the tracking number for it the other day, and it was a big surprise to me. So I don't know if they've put me on their PR or they just sent me another box. I'm not exactly sure, but I am going to do another unboxing. Now this is the August-September box, and of course this was in collaboration with Pure Cosmetics, which I absolutely love, guys. And another thing, let me say, I do apologize about the flies. There are so many flies. So somebody left the window open in the bathroom, which, you know, I do all the time. And it might have been me, but we're not going to talk about that. But anyways, so some of the flies got in. So if there's any flies, there's one right there. So if you see any flies in this, y'all don't say nothing about it. I don't want to hear a damn word. There's flies everywhere. And again, I really appreciate them sending me another box. So I do want to mention how grateful I am that they did send me another box. But I am still going to be honest with you guys. If I don't like the product, I don't like it. If it stinks, it stinks. I mean, after all, that's what I'm here for. I'm not here to pull the wool over anybody's eyes. If I don't like the product, I just don't like it. And again, I'm sorry about those flies. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's go ahead and read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the BoxyCharm and BoxyLuxe September choice items. Well, thank you so much, Jacqueline Jones. Jacqueline says hi. Well, hi, Jacqueline, honey. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now again, this is for August-September box. And again, this is the AIA BeautyBundle Box. This is American Influencer Beauty Bundle Box. Now, if you don't know what that is, it is a bi-monthly box. So you'll get it every other month. It is $34. You'll get a value of $100 or more in each box. And it is always in collaboration with a beauty influencer. So it could be anything. It could be hair products, it could be makeup, it could be skincare, it could be anything beauty. And again, I do love this box because they do support influencers that own their own beauty brands. So I'm so excited. Again, guys, I am so sorry about these damn flies. I swear. I ain't even, I'm not starting it. But anyways, I'll quit running my mouth and go ahead and unbox this. Let's see if I can do it like this. I'm going to try to do this one-handed, and if you're wondering why I'm not on camera, it's because I look and feel like shit, so we're doing it this way. So I'm going to try to scoot this over here so you don't see the mess on my sink, because it's embarrassing. The box says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. And again, this is in collaboration with, did I say Pure at first? I said Pure Cosmetics, didn't I? I swear I'm a goofy ass. It is Purlisse, and again, I have loved this brand ever since I tried their little Aqua Bomb. I got one of their Aqua Bombs in one of my Ipsy bags, and I just fell in love with it. And I have had a couple more products other than that I just extremely loved. I loved them so much. So I'm eager to see. I already know what's in here because y'all know I do spoilers. So let's check it out. So here's the owner of Purlisse. It is Jennifer Yin, if you don't know who she is. Now on this it says, I created Purlisse to show the beauty and spirit of my heritage. As a former Power Rangers of villainous, I spent hours under bright lights and heavy makeup, which took a major toll on my complexion and confidence. In my journey to restore my skin, I rediscovered my grandmother's Asian beauty secrets, which transformed my complexion, and now yours too. I'm so excited for you to experience the Purlisse Stay Way. Jennifer Yin. Again, guys, I didn't know she was a Power Ranger. Now, on the back of this card, it's going to show you every single item that you got. Now, there are 7 items in this month's box. Usually, you'll get 5 to 6 full-sized items. And again, I did make a comment about the Aqua Bomb right here being the little sample size, because it does say 5 to 6 full-sized items. They did clear up to me that the Aqua Bomb was actually a gift from Purlisse. So it's actually the 6 items that was going to be in the box, and she threw that in there as a gift. That's why that is sample sized. So let's check it out, guys. So of course, guys, I can't find nowhere to prop my video, so I did have to do this with both my hands. But here is the bag. That is the front, and then on the back it says give your skin a burst of energy. Absolutely cute, and it is a zipper. So here is the little zipper. And actually, I think this would actually hold an extreme amount of stuff. That would be an amazing to-go bag, like if you're traveling or anything. So here's the inside of the box. And y'all excuse me, I do have bronzer all over my hands. Please don't say nothing about that. So the first thing that we see is the pink charcoal watermelon antioxidant face mist. Now this has green tea, refreshing, smoothing, and hydrating. So that is actually, can you use it for set and spray? So the benefits: pink clay helps boost skin clarity, control excessive oil, and minimize the appearance of pores. Charcoal helps remove toxins from the skin's surface. So that let's give it a sniffer. All right, guys. So here this is. I think I will leave pretty much the camera right here instead of holding it. So let's give this a smell. Okay, guys, that is extremely refreshing. I did like that, and it does have a really good smell to it. It's not too overpowering. If y'all hear Aki in the back, it's because I haven't whipped his ass yet. Oh, I'm just joking. I don't whip my cat's ass, but I do yell at him. Aki, quit! So it is nice and refreshing, and I do like the smell. Again, it's not too overpowering, and it's like a little hint of watermelon, but other than that, it's pretty much a fresh smell, so I do like that. The next thing is this thing right here. This is the pink charcoal watermelon purifying cleansing milk, and this has also got green tea in it. Wow. So let's see. Does that have a... Yeah, I think they're all pretty much got these things on them to where, you know, nobody else has been using it and all that good stuff. Very sanitary. I do like that. And I did wipe this box off when I got it today. For some reason, FedEx figured they'd leave it on the back of the car, which wasn't a good idea. So let's see what she looks like. Oh, wow. Oh, that again, guys, that is a very fresh smell. I don't smell anything too overpowering on that. And it's just like a white lotiony stuff, and it don't really feel, it kind of feels like it might leave a film. So I'll have to update you guys after I use it to make sure it don't, come on, focus. These damn flies. Just to make sure it don't leave a film. It did leave a little film on my finger, so I hope that don't do that to my face. But I will update you guys and let y'all know about this. Now the next thing that we see is right here. This is the Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Silky Body Butter. Smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. Now y'all, anybody that's been subscribed to my channel for a while knows that I absolutely love coffee. I am a coffee freak. Oh my gosh. Guys, have y'all ever smelled like the candle? I'll have to put it up here, right here. I can't remember which candle it is, but it smells just like that, and I absolutely love that. Now, of course, it's just a white cream, so there's nothing colored about it, but I love the smell of it. This is like my perfect smell in a bottle, and my bottle is something happened to it, so it won't close all the way. Now, let's move on. The next thing is another one of my favorites. Well, I've never used this, but I can tell it's going to be a favorite. This is the Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Body Scrub. Smooths, exfoliates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. Let's see how this one smells. And guys, again, I'll have to update y'all on how everything works and all that good stuff. But y'all, I needed some skincare items, because most time if I buy something for myself, it's usually makeup. So let's see what she's got in here. Okay. Now, guys, I don't know if I'm a little stopped up, but I can't smell anything. I can't smell any kind of a scent, so I'm not exactly sure about that, but I see glitter in this, and that's going to be a problem. I don't know if that is really glitter or it's just the salt. I think it might be like the salt or something. So I was about to say, if that was glitter, I would have been kind of mad, because I love glitter, but I hate wearing glitter because it gets everywhere. But again, I didn't smell anything, so I don't know if I'm stopped up or what is going on there. Now, the next thing that we see in the box is the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel-Off Mask. That is two of my favorite scents, watermelon and marshmallows. So it comes in this fancy box. I like that. Now, here is the bottle of the actual product right here. It says, purifies pores, brightens skin, visibly firms and tightens. That's exactly what I need. Getting up in the years, you know what I mean? So, now this stuff is pink. I can already see it. Okay, now the smell on this, guys, this one is a little bit stronger scented than the rest of the stuff. Oh my gosh, looky there, y'all. Look at that. Do y'all see? Oh my goodness. So this, again, is a peel-off mask, but it does look like it's very, it's got pink glitter in it. So, again, I'm not sure how that's going to work with getting everywhere. I wish my camera would focus so y'all can see the glitter in it. If not, I'll try to have to get close-up shots of it. But, now the smell is a little bit stronger than the rest of the stuff. Now, if that goes down or not, I'm not exactly sure. But if you don't like scents, I don't know if this would be the item for you. And if you don't like glitter, there is pink glitter in this, so I need to use it to see if the glitter gets everywhere before I make my assumption on this. And the last thing in the box, guys, now this again was a free gift from Purlisse. This is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. Now again, this item is what made me fall in love with Purlisse. So I already know I like this. Now the smell again is not too overpowering on this. And I just love the way it makes my skin feel. Why ain't you coming out? Come on, don't be scared. Come on out. Well, I don't know what I did here. So here is what it actually looks like. Again, I don't know if you can see that. So there is what it looks like. And again, it's almost like a primer. One of those pore filling primers. That's what it kind of feels like. But it don't have like the slick feel of one of those primers. And this hydrates my skin so well. I just love this stuff. I wish it was full size, but again, that was one of the gifts, but I do wish this was one of the full-sized items. And as for that, guys, that was it for this box. So these are the items that we got. Again, I'll have to test them out to see which ones I actually like and which ones I don't. This, again, I couldn't. That one, again, I couldn't smell anything on it. And again, this card right here that you get with it tells about every single item. So it's just like a little breakdown of each item. So I do like that they put the cards in with that. If you do want to go check out Purlisse, I'm going to leave them linked below. Again, it's a really good deal. $34, guys, for over $100 worth of items. And again, it's going to be 5 to 6 full-sized items. And it's always going to be an influencer-owned beauty brand. So again, I do appreciate that they do support smaller influencers. Like last month's box, that was Manna Kadar. I absolutely love that. I'm in love with makeup products. That's why I needed this box actually, because I don't have a lot of skincare, because I don't actually buy skincare. I do, but it's only stuff that I need. Like if I need a face cleanser, you know, I'll save up the money and get that. If I need a lotion, I'll get a lotion. If I need an eye cream, I'll get an eye cream. So I actually really need this box. And again, I couldn't be more grateful to AIA for sending me another box. Again, I don't know if I'm on the PR or not, but just know I'm always going to be honest with y'all and let y'all know whether I like the products or not. And as soon as I use these items, I'll update it down in the comments or do a new video. And again, if you want to go check out the AIA box, I'll link them down below. Go check them out. And again, it's bi-monthly, so it's every other month. And it's just so exciting to find out like what influencer and stuff that they are going to be pairing with. So I absolutely love this box, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about these items down in the comment section. Do you get this box? Is it something that you would like to get? Now again, this could be anywhere from makeup to skincare to hair stuff, anything beauty. So it's not like a makeup brand box, so it could be anything beauty. So guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. And as always, AIA is linked down below. That way you can go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much, Carrie Michelle. Carrie Michelle says, thanks for the update, Mama. Well, Carrie, honey, you are more than welcome. I'm really glad that you're enjoying them. And I really hope that you get what you want in your box. And I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but y'all are going to have one option. You could only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers on my videos. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.